Welcome to Zero to Hero. My name is Rasim. I'm a blockchain architect. So today we are going to talk about Solidity override versus virtual functions. As you know, Solidity is an object-oriented programming language that supports multiple inheritances. You can inherit from a base contract and then override a function in that base contract. Before Solidity 0.6, there was no way of knowing what functions should be overridden. Now you can explicitly label a function as virtual or override. So, what is function overriding? A function that allows an inheriting contract to override its behavior will be marked as virtual. The function that overrides that base function should be marked as override. Let's take a look at on a diagram because those are important. So guys, let's say we have one base contract and one child contract. And we will override some of the methods that define it on the base contract. In a nutshell, something like that. Okay. Base contract. This base contract, let's say some method 1, method 2, for example. And let's say we create another one. This is child contract. Let's say it has method 1 and method 10, for example. So on this diagram, as you know, base contract and child contract are having same method. If we want to override method 1 on the base contract, we need to follow some certain rules. First of all, what I am doing, for example, our main goal is to override this one. I want to override it. So in a simple way, what I am doing, I flag this base contract method as a virtual. Sorry. Let's, okay. I am labeling method 1 with the virtual label, and then I am labeling the child contract method as an override. Okay. Actually, that's all. You know, it is ready. So with this labeling, I'm able to override base contract method from the child contract. So let's get hands dirty. I will use for the smart contract creation remix Okay, cool. Remix ID, that's cool. Let me create one one solid file. All right. That's all. Okay, cool. So I will create two smart contracts. One of them will be parent, one of them will be child. Okay, so first of all, let's define our solidity and contract base contract. Let's create function for public like that, and then let's create child one contract child contract. Let me name it properly. Child contract, and let's create one function in it. Function for something like that. So our main goal is to inherit child contract from the base contract. So what I need to do is base contract. Okay. So as you see, both of them having same method. Let's compile it here. Let's choose, for example, this one is the latest one. You see, it says no visibility specified. Did you intend to add public? Oh, sorry, guys. Public. Okay, cool. Let's have a look. Overriding function is missing. Override specifier. Overriding function is missing. Override specifier. As you see, the contract details is giving an error. So we need to fix it. So what we need to do? So what I'm trying to do in the first place, I am labeling it virtual with the virtual tag. Okay, so what I did now, I did it overridable method. And now let's try again. What's happening? It is, as you see, it is getting still an error. So what I need to do, oh, so let's have a look. Done. Done. As you see, if I want to override any method on the base contract, I am labeling it with the override. Okay, so let's put some log in it. Let me create one event log base contract let's say string function name, and let's say message. Okay, and then I want to log base contract. Just I want to follow up the process, how it is behaving. I want to see with the logs. So from base contract, let's say base contract 4, and I am here. So I can do similar things for the child one as well. Child contract. Override. Let me change it. Hello, I am here. Okay, cool. So let me compile it. This but it says, oh, sorry. Override public. So let me deploy these things. I'm running local blockchain, Ganache, also in my local, and also you can set up your own, testnet, Rinkiby or something else as well. Use JavaScript VM London test facet like that. So what I need to do, child contract, I will deploy. Yes, I deployed successfully. Let me have a look. Everything looks fine. Logs. Okay, so let me have a look. My deployed contract. So let me call my for method on the child. Okay, let's have a look at the logs. So it says from this wallet with this topic event log child contract. As you see, it triggered here. I'm here. Child contract 4. As you see, I override the base contract. So if I delete this one, for example, let's test it. Do you think is it still working? Let's compile it again. As you see, it is warning. So it says trying to override non-virtual function. As you see, if you want to override any method from the base contract, it should be virtual methods. It is a requirement for the overriding. So let's put back here. Let's remove this one. Let's see what will happen. It says overriding function is missing override specifier. As you see, it's not working. So what if I want to call base contracts for method? How I am able to do it? I am able to do it simply super for, simply we can do it like that. Okay, compile. As you see, no error. And then let's deploy again. As you see, successful. And then let's run again. What I'm expecting, this will This one we'll call base contract method, which is logging those information. Plus, after this one, I'm expecting this log at that. I'm expecting two log on here. Let's run it. Okay, let's have a look at the details on here. As you see, it is an array. The first log comes from base contract for, as you see, with this super.for, with this super.for, I'm able to trigger the base contracts method. And then secondly, as you see, log child contract for. As you see, everything working fine. Hopefully you understood how overriding and virtual labels works. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. As I said, I'm a blockchain architect and trainer at Zero to Hero. See you in our next blockchain video. I will add every week at least one video about blockchain development, especially Solidity smart contract development. Please leave a comment, and to support me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.